Here I have Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's unlock the list of all apps, choose settings, scroll down and choose here general management, tab reset, and from the following options let's choose reset network settings. So this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's tap reset settings, and to begin the whole operation let's tap reset settings again. That's it, network settings have been reset, so you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.